Okay, I'm going to go back to the Photoshop preferences now. We're going to go through a little bit more of what's available in there. So we'll go up to Edit, Preferences, General. And now there's a few other options in here we didn't really cover, but we have the ability to change our color picker from Windows color picker to Adobe's. So if you like using the Windows color picker better than Adobe's, you can switch that. We also have the ability to change our image interpolation. And what this is it's a way of blending our images, our pixels together when we're resizing an image. The best way to really understand how this works is to pretty much give it a try and make images a little bit larger with different types of image interpolation, and that way you can see what sort of effect they cover. Because some of them, they're pretty straightforward, smoother, sharper, and just the way the pixels blend together when you resize an image. Okay, what we also have the ability to change is the user's interface font size. Right now we have it set to small, but we can of course change that to medium and large. Of course, our history states we already had in there. But one other really neat thing we have is the history log. And what we can actually do is save out every single command that we do in either a metadata file, a text file, or both, and then do it as sessions only, detailed, or concise. So that's kind of a neat little feature we have there. If we go to file handling now, there's definitely one thing you want to take a look at, and that is we have a maximize PSD and PSB file compatibility. If you do not have this set to always, it will ask you whenever you want to save a Photoshop file if you want it to be compatible with previous versions of Photoshop, or if you want it to be more compatible with other versions. So we can either select never, always, or ask. I have always set, and that's what I would suggest, so that way your Photoshop files are always compatible with either newer versions or older versions of Photoshop. We also have our image previews. We can always save file extensions. We can use lowercase or uppercase and change that. So we have a lot of different options in here. Displaying cursors, we can change the way we view the different cursors and different tools within Photoshop. Different brush sizes, whether we view them with sort of a feather on the end, whether they're soft or not, and we can change the sizes, more precise, standard, normal brush, full-size brush. So there's different things we can change in there as well. And then we have transparency. Options we can change, different warnings, and you can go through and change the what you would like your background to be for transparency, the grid size, units and rulers, change from inches to whatever it is you want. So just pretty much just go through the preferences and see if there's anything you really want to change that would help you in Photoshop, maybe speed things up or make it a little bit easier for you to use.